Hi viewers, welcome to Electrical Stuff. Before starting this video, I would like to ask two questions. Are you constructing a new home? Second one, are you purchasing a new property like constructed villa or apartment? Then this video is for you. Before starting my video, I am stating one famous quote is that life is precious, so don't compromise. Why I said this quote, you will understand by watching this video. Let's start our video. New home buyers have aware one most important point, that is fire accidents. So let's see news articles. A high-rise tower get fired and there is in burning. There is a lot of burning in Delhi area and one man killed due to fire accident in Andhra Pradesh. And then there is a Mumbai, many fire accident occurs. Why all these are happening? So let's see why this happening. All this happening because of short circuit. Yes, you hear correct. 70% of fire incidents due to electrical short circuit. This is the data shows. So you and me and each and every one person have to be very cautious while purchasing building, very careful what type of electrical wires used in the building. Do you know that in our homes these kind of wires are using, correct? What kind of these wires? These are the PVC wires, which is most widely used in our homes. Is there any harm while using these PVC wires? Let's see. Yes, there is a harm. Why? I will tell you. This is the data. There is a different type of materials available for the PVC. This PVC material, if you look at the PVC material here, this 22 to 29 percentage of it produce halogen gas. So you and I, everyone here, short circuit, short circuit. What is short circuit? Short circuit is nothing but this is a cable. For example, this cable, due to the heat or we are underrated cables we are using, due to this one, this cable gets short. Two cables near in a conduit, it get the insulation one, it gets short. Due to the short, there is a flame produce. Heat, due to the heat, flame produce. This outer sheath insulation will be get burned. So this is the reason deaths are occurring. I say no. Deaths are occurring due to these PVC wires. It produce halogen gas. This halogen gas is very dangerous. If this halogen gas, when it release, it will mix with the air. It will produce toxic fumes. What is the toxic fumes? If these fumes, if you are inhale, if you breathe this toxic fumes, what will happen? You will get death. First, you don't know where you are going, your conscious will be lost, then all of a sudden your deaths will occur. So this is the data. 80% of deaths from fires because inhaling toxic fumes and smoke. That is the reason major deaths occurring. So let's see. Now you may ask a question, what is solution? Is there any solution available to deal this issue? Yes, there is a solution. The problem is our cable, correct? So if we change the cable type, then our problem will solve. So see, so these are the cables you have to use, LSHZ. So there is a material PVC, there is no change in the PVC, but this PVC should be LSZH. What is LSZH? Low smoke, zero halogen. And HFFR, halogen flame fire retardant. These type of cables you have to be used. So when you are buying a property, you must and should ask a contractor, if you are going to constructing a new home, these wires, don't look for the price, cheap wire, don't select cheap wires. I am requesting you all, you are putting a marble, high class marble with a huge cost, but this cable you are putting very cheap material. You think it is nothing? No. This small piece of cable burn your crores of millions of dollar home as a ash. So for to understand what will be the cost you are going to save, I will get an example. So don't skip, watch this for the slide. So I bring you here a data comparing one LS-SZ cable cost, and so let us see LS ZH cost, low smoke zero halogen cable. I selected 2.5 mm. What is the cost? 5,370 Indian rupees. Okay. Then I go the same brand. This is a Havells. I took it. So for 2.5 mm square PVC cable, it's a similar type cable. So what is the cost? 5015. What is the difference? You are saving 355 difference. These are the 90-meter cable for the information. So 355 per one coil you are saving. For a home, almost like a 20 or 30 bundles you are getting used these cables. So you will save like a 60-80,000 rupees. You are saving the money, but these building, what will happen if it is catch fire due to this, you know. So I hope you understand this very crucial, very important point. So I believe you are wise, so select your cable wisely. Thanks for watching. This is Electrical Stuff YouTube channel. Here I am going to teach lot of electrical stuff which are very useful for you. So spare some time, go to my videos, watch my videos. It is very useful for your benefit. Thank you. Good day.